Guys, I am back. I've got to show you something. I have made clothing in Roblox. If you search it, wait, if you search up, it costs only 5 Robux. Please, guys, look, sub to my channel, Yak Games Play. Oh, look at that fire, bro! That's fire, man! I'm gonna show it to you. Wait. But guys, oh my god. This is just gonna cost only 5 Robux. Please buy. It's in my, I don't know, it's in my chat. It's my avatar. So please buy it, guys. So please buy it, my merch. This is my merch, guys. Please buy it. You know, my channel is J James. My name is James. So right, guys. Right now, let's move on. And in the, maybe the, I'm gonna make some, some pants and J James. The J James pants. I'm gonna buy that because I have a lot of games here. But this only I'm gonna wear because this is my merch. So please guys buy this. Sheesh, look at that grip, bro. Look at that grip. Look at that grip. Okay, the next time guys. Oh yeah, about that else. I'm gonna post it on Sunday. Wait for it. Let's go guys. Let's go. Then the update of the event that is that I'll show it to you guys. Let's go. Bye.